let's draw a cute bear holding a birthday cake with me. Get your paper, pencils, colors ready, and let's draw! Start by drawing the birthday cake covered with frosting and candles on top. Next, draw short, slightly curved arms so the bear can hold the cake. The bear's body will be a bit round to create a cute and plump feeling. Draw a curved line to make the bear's face. Don't forget to add 2 small round ears on the head and a cute birthday hat. Add a small round nose, a big smile, and innocent eyes to make the bear's face more lively. To make the picture more cheerful, I will add fireworks around, making the birthday atmosphere more brilliant. Now, let's color the picture. Ta-da! The picture of the cute bear holding a birthday cake is finished. Have fun drawing and enjoy the creative moments.